What is digital PR and how it can improve your SEO? In this video, I'll go over what digital PR is and how you can use it to improve your SEO. I'll show you everything you need to know from A to Z so that you can start implementing everything immediately after watching this video. Let's dive in. The state of link building. Traditional link building is becoming less effective. Everyone's doing guest posts and link insertions, making it hard to stand out and eventually rank. As AI takes over content creation, unique and valuable backlinks are becoming gold. What is digital PR? Digital PR is like traditional public relations, but on the internet. It's about getting your website mentioned in digital media outlets. It's not just about links, it's about building a reputation and increasing visibility online, which eventually leads to increase in your site authority and of course, rankings. First strategy I want to talk about is reactive PR with Harrow. Platforms like Harrow connect you with journalists looking for expert opinion. Quick, insightful responses can land you a spot in major publications. With the rise of AI, a lot of people are using AI to reply these journalists, which has made the whole process a lot competitive. However, I still recommend Harrow as you can get some pretty nice mentions and backlinks from it. Remember, it's about being at the right place at the right time with the right answer. I also recommend Sourcebottle, Topical, help a B2B writers. Although not as good as Harrow, but yes, it does help to have as many sources for reactive PR as you can. Moving to the second strategy I want to talk about is data publishing. I've seen a lot of good results with this strategy. Interactive maps. Here you find some sort of data related to your niche based on which you make an interactive map which can be shared with media journalists and also can be picked by various news outlets. Share unique data or insights related to your niche. Think interactive maps, comprehensive studies, or eye-catching infographics. Original data attracts journalists and get your site the high quality links it deserves. For example, LA Home came with this study on the most searched for movie homes, which got them links from high authority sites like NY Times, Yahoo, and many much more. Another way is to make studies and infographics, which also can eventually get you good backlinks. Now, next strategy is trend checking. Keep an eye on trending topics and quickly publish relevant content. It's about riding the wave of current events or viral trends and staying ahead of the curve. Being one of the most to comment on a trend get you noticed by the media, and it is good idea to sign up to Google Trends and see for any keywords related to your industry and pick those up for this strategy. The last strategy is art of coining terms. Introduce new terms or concepts related to your industry. If it is catches on, you will be credited as the source. This strategy requires creativity and a deep understanding of your niche. For example, HubSpot coined the term content marketing. And now anybody who talks about content marketing, somewhere or the other, refers it back to HubSpot. The challenges of digital PR. The toughest part is getting your pitches noticed by the right journalist. It's a crowded space and standing out is key. Building relationship with journalists and offering compelling stories are crucial for success. Here are some resources for finding journalists. Muckrek, though it can be pricey. Lower cost alternatives like Prowly by SEMrush, not a fan. However, you can have a look at it. JournoLink and Journo Finder. I find Journo Finder much more interesting. Can do the trick. Now you know what digital PR is and how you can implement it. But in order to succeed with digital PR, you need to have a deep understanding of your audience. And because this is such an important topic, I made a separate video about how to create a topical map, which will help you understand your target audience way better. So if you want to succeed with digital PR, then I highly suggest for you to go and watch this video that you see on the screen. And after that, you know everything you need to know in order to get started and succeed. Cheers.